you doing, guys? We went ahead and installed a GPS tracker in this Lamborghini. For those who buy these cars in private use, or you buy them to rent them out, and you want to know what the person who's renting the car from you, where he's at, or what speed he's traveling, or if he goes over a certain speed that you select in the app, it will send you an alert. So we do a lot of these exotic cars all over South Beach and all over Miami. For those folks that want to protect their vehicles, give us a call. We do come out. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is a GPS installation on this Lamborghini. Thank you for watching this video.